When you send a message to someone on another continent, it almost certainly does not go through a satellite. It goes through a cable lying on the bottom of the ocean, in most places no thicker than a garden hose, carrying light instead of water. This video works through 4 real numbers, and together they describe an infrastructure system most people have never thought about, holding up almost everything they do online. Start with the scale. As of 2026, there are more than 1.5 million kilometers of submarine cable currently in service around the planet, according to Telegeography, the industry group that maps this infrastructure. 1.5 million kilometers is hard to picture, so here's the second number. Divide that by Earth's circumference, roughly 40,075 kilometers, and you get about 37. The world's undersea cable network could wrap around the Earth 37 times over. Now the number that actually matters for your daily life. These cables carry an estimated 99% of international data traffic, not domestic browsing, but everything that crosses an ocean: emails, video calls, financial transactions, cloud backups. Satellites, for all the attention they get, carry the leftover 1%. If you've ever had a video call with someone overseas, it almost certainly traveled through a cable on the seafloor, not through space. So what happens when one gets cut? It happens more often than you'd think. Fishing trawlers, ship anchors, and underwater landslides account for the vast majority of cable faults, not sabotage. When it does happen, specialized cable repair ships have to locate the break, haul the cable to the surface, splice it, and lower it back down. Industry data from the past few years puts the on-site repair time at 10 to 20 days once a ship is on location. But that's not the full clock. Once you add mobilization time and the permits required to work in certain waters, the total time from cut to fixed is often 40 days or more. 1.5 million kilometers of cable. 37 trips around the Earth. 99% of the data that crosses an ocean. 10 to 20 days to fix a single cut, often 40 plus once the paperwork and ship positioning are counted. For numbers, and the honest picture they paint is this: the modern internet's backbone is thinner, more physical, and more fixable but slowly than almost anyone assumes. No figure in this video is invented. Where the numbers come from industry sources rather than direct measurement, we said so.